Ever wondered how huge companies like Domino's manage their business processes across thousands of outlets with a robust ERP software? Hi there, finance professionals. Welcome to our new series where we break down the need and importance of each step in the ERP implementation process with the help of an example.
So, moving forward to our next process, workaround and fit gaps with technical partner. So, as already discussed with Sai and Mayuresh. So, first of all, whatever things are discussed with the technical partner, we work around, we categorize the gaps, we identify the risk, we categorize the risk, and then we recommend solutions to the gaps identified. So, first of all, this is the main process where we will get the process is fixed and the workarounds, which will be done by us in the ERP implementation. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Avinash or Mayuresh or Meenal, can you give an example where you came across a situation where tech partner said that there's a significant customization and we were able to give a workaround to them from a client perspective?
One process which is known to everyone, be it finance or non-finance, is our BRS. Okay, so now there are two approaches to any BRS. One is you directly integrate with your system, you automate it, so it's end-to-end automation. Okay, but to have this integration in place, there are a couple of factors we need to consider. One is obviously the cost involved, the other is the efforts. Okay. Now, for every client, probably the transaction are not that many that you go for integration, in which case we don't, as a consultant, we don't suggest them this uh, costly solution, but we go for a other approach, which is our Excel based automation. So apart from integration, there's one more approach where we uh, upload our bank statement and get the BRL done. So that's a typical workaround which we suggest.
Just a quick summary of what we've done until now. We first started off with requirement gathering and planning and defining the to-be process and the enterprise structure, which is analogous to your choosing the pizza type and ingredients and recipe development. Post this, Meena has covered four main topics. One is your integrations, second, automations, third, BRD download to the tech partner, and fourth is workaround and fit gaps. Again, in case of the pizza story, we say integrations are synonymous to your secret sauce, where a lot of ingredients are combined and the perfect output is prepared, which can be used on the bread. Your automations is nothing but your oven, which ensures that you do not need to stoke the fire to bake the bread and to bake the pizza. The BRD download to the tech partner is more like you briefing the head chef in terms of what we are planning to do. The head chef giving recommendations or solutions, or in certain cases, things which may not be possible. And the last bit is your workaround and fit gaps, which is where you can have substitutes to your ingredients and proceed with the baking of the pizza.
So basically, till this time, we have understood the process of business. So now we'll analyze the to be process, which we have already prepared. So in that process, we'll analyze that the topping quality is good or not, whether client is using any paper plate to serve the pizza. We'll analyze those things and we can suggest them the changes in the business. So we'll identify the changes on field level in the ERP. We'll analyze the changes on field level. We'll mention the reasons for it and we'll also describe the impact of changes in the document format so that we can refer it in the future. So this is the quality check of the client's system, which we have already mentioned in the to be process. At this stage, basically we are analyzing and identifying the changes and conveying it to the client so that they can bring those fields in their system and make the required changes so that integration can flow properly and smoothly. The fields should flow smoothly during integration. For that purpose, we are analyzing this to be process. Post that, the technical partner will provide us a wireframe, which is as Sai has mentioned, the field-wise document which technical partner provides us. Basically, it is a pictorial format of to be process. We can say here we show the integrations, customizations, and all the automations in one format. We can see that how our system will be for the users. Like just imagine if the topping is flowing from one machine to another, then we will show here in pictorial format that how the topping will flow from one system to another, and that is integration, I think. So here, basically, we are preparing a format of it and showing the flow of data. And here also we'll prepare a format, we'll document it and communicate it with the client.
Let's summarize this. So basically, the topics covered by Sai were wireframes, changes to client systems, workflows, and roles and responsibilities. Right? Wireframes again becomes nothing but the getting the raw pizza ready. That's the framework or how the pizza will actually look, right? Or at least a 90% approximation. Changes to client systems, think of it as the client enters the pizza parlor with his own paper plates and styrofoam cup, right? We do not want this to happen, which is why we'll say we are going to change the system and we're going to introduce something that is more, one, efficient for the client, and second, maybe more convenient to use, right? Third is workflows. So think of it as once the pizza is ready, what are we supposed to do? Yes, let's say supposed to serve it in a plate. We need to have something for the beverage. How are we going to arrange the table? All of this needs to be planned in a pre-plan, or rather needs to be pre-planned in an orderly fashion. So this is nothing but your workflows. And last is roles and responsibilities. Let's say once the pizza is out, who prepares the so two things, right? One is who is preparing the pizza, who approves of its quality. These are the roles and responsibilities